So we're here at CES 2020 checking out what Razer has brought to the show this year. Obviously the company is known for their gaming laptops and peripherals, but this year they've got something totally different. It's a brand new concept for a small desktop and it's called the Razer Tomahawk. Let's take a look. So basically, if you're familiar with the Razer GPUs, this will look kind of familiar to you. The whole idea is that it's a completely toolless PC. It's a small gaming desktop, and it's based all around Intel's new NUC compute element, which plugs right into the system there alongside a full-size GPU like the RTX 2080 here. But the whole idea is that you can pull the thing out and swap out units in the future however you see fit. And the whole thing is completely toolless inside of this aluminum shell that Razer has built. So here it is, the Intel NUC 9 Extreme Compute element. And the basic idea here is that you have everything you need for a small PC in this nice little package that you can put right into a standard PCIe slot. You have your CPU, obviously, up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, your M.2 slots, and on the back you have all your ports, 2 Ethernet ports, and importantly 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So we don't yet have a price on the Razer Tomahawk, but the idea here is that Razer is going to sell this entire system as one package, as a full desktop gaming experience that you can just buy right from their website. Razer does say that they are thinking about also selling the chassis alone separately, so that also is another way of getting into the Razer Tomahawk. And we don't yet have availability exactly. We're waiting for the Intel NUC to actually come out, but it should be coming out sometime in the first half of 2020. So for everything with CES 2020 and new products here, make sure to stay at digitaltrends.com.